So I just tried a fragrance that smells like candy. Do you want to know what it is? It's this one right here. Vince Camuto Illuminare. I have it right here in my hand. This is what the bottle looks like. Maybe it's on me, it smells like candy. I smell plum. I love the box. To me, packaging is everything. I think that really great packaging speaks to the time that you put into creating the product, and also it's gonna be something that you're really gonna wanna purchase because the packaging looks nice. So here's the bottle. This is a 1 ounce size. I know fragrances, they smell different when you put them on. It's like my candy scent. I feel like it's a fun, florally scent. It's very light. Again, I love the light scents, and the bottle is really cute. I'm excited because I can travel with this. That's like my hugest thing. I think that if you can pack this and go anywhere, like it's great because everywhere you go, you can keep like a bottle in your car, you can keep a bottle, you know, when you travel for your luggage or you're in your gym bag. These scents always create a memory and remind you of something. So Vince Camuto Illuminare, there you have it.